Error number 15. Initializing libiomp5.dylib, but found libiomp5.dylib already initialized. Getting the error message when using matplotlib. Error number 15. Initializing libiomp5.dylib, but found libiomp5.dylib already initialized OMP. Hint: this means that multiple copies of the OpenEmp runtime have been linked into the program. That is dangerous, since it can degrade performance or cause incorrect results. The best thing to do is to ensure that only a single OpenEmp runtime is linked into the process, e.g. by avoiding static linking of the OpenEmp runtime in any library. As an unsafe, unsupported, undocumented workaround, you can set the environment variable kmp_duplicate_lib_ok equals true to allow the program to continue to execute, but that may cause crashes or silently produce incorrect results. For more information, please see this URL.
Do the following to solve the issue. Answer found at this URL. Be aware of potential side effects, but that may cause crashes or silently produce incorrect results.
This is a better solution if applicable. Else, anyway, Camargo's solution is likely to work. However, it comes with a warning that it may cause crashes or silently produce incorrect results. I had the same error on my Mac with a Python program using number.py, keras, and matplotlib. I solved it with conda install nomcal. Answer found at this URL.
I had the same issue on macOS and found the following reasons. Problem: I had a conda environment where numpy, scipy, and TensorFlow were installed. Conda is using Intel, R, MKL optimizations, C docs. Anaconda has packaged MKL-powered binary versions of some of the most popular numerical scientific Python libraries into MKL optimizations for improved performance. The Intel MKL functions, e.g. FFT, LPAC, BLOS, are threaded with the OpenEmp technology. But on macOS you do not need MKL, because the Accelerate framework comes with its own optimization algorithms and already uses OpenEmp. That is the reason for the error message, omp error number 15 column ... Workaround: you should install all packages without MKL support. Conda install nomcal. And then use conda install numpy scipy pandas TensorFlow. Followed by conda remove MKL service. For more information, see conda MKL optimizations.
I had the same issue in a conda environment where TensorFlow was installed. After doing pip uninstall TensorFlow, pip install TensorFlow, the problem was gone.
For me, this problem came up when I imported PyTalk after number.py. Importing them in this order fixed my problem.
I need to watch it.